Good day. Welcome to DHCE Services, your one-stop trusted partner for all low-voltage and security solutions. We deliver high-definition CCTV, surveillance night vision, remote control biometric, fire alarm systems, mobile and smoke detectors, intercom sensors, public sirens, clear auto alerts, zoned speakers, intrusion detection motion sensors, alarms, smart integration, structured cabling clean, future-proof networks, smart building automation lights, locks, HVAC, all voice or app controlled. Solar backups keep systems running when power fails. Pipe fittings, industrial grade, leak proof. Boom gates and barriers, automatic vehicle access.
Sprinkler systems, automatic fire suppression. Full firefighting systems, extinguishers, hoses, hydrants. Building management system, central control for energy, lighting, security. GSM boosters, stronger indoor signal, no dropped calls, and custom solutions just for your site.
DHCE Services installs, maintains, and upgrades everything fast, reliable, no wahala. We quote quickly. We deliver on time. Thank you for choosing DHCE Services.